Hey, what's up guys, I got a Brinks deadbolt here that I purchased at Walmart a couple minutes ago, and I'll try to pick it on camera for you and get it out of the box here. It says the ANS grade 2, I think the highest is a grade 1, and of course on the side it has all this pick resistant stuff it says. So anyway, I'll try to pick it for you out of the box here. Of course, half the time the box is harder to get open than the lock. Alright, there it is. And try to show you the key here. Get it on camera here. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. Anyway, it works in the lock. Yeah, yep. This would be kind of hard to pick it this way, but if I try to get it where you can see it. And there it is. Well, it wasn't too big of a challenge. I think it may have one or two security pins, but nothing major. But anyway, rate it if you'd like, and definitely comment and subscribe. Thank you.